Custom-built server racks are used to house servers and other electronic equipment. These custom racks allow companies to design their own enclosures based on their specific needs. Custom server racks are available in different sizes, shapes, and configurations. Custom server racks are typically built to fit into standard 10-foot rack spaces. Companies can choose from a variety of options including open air, closed air, and sealed systems. Open air designs are ideal for smaller applications, while sealed systems are preferred for larger installations. Custom office server racks offer several advantages over traditional computer cases. First, they provide greater flexibility and customization. Second, they are easier to install and maintain. Third, they are less expensive than traditional computer cases. Finally, they are much lighter and require less space. Custom server racks can be purchased directly from manufacturers or third-party vendors. Some companies specialize in building custom server racks, while others sell pre-built units. Either way, it's important to shop around for the best price and service. For example, if you're interested in purchasing a strong custom series server racks, you might consider contacting a manufacturer who specializes in custom server racks. Alternatively, you could contact a vendor who sells pre-made units. Both of these options would likely cost less than ordering a custom case online. Regardless of where you decide to purchase your custom server rack, it's important to remember that you'll still need to buy additional components to complete the installation. For example, you'll need to purchase power supplies, fans, and network cables. It's also worth noting that custom server racks aren't always compatible with every type of server. For instance, certain models of Dell PowerEdge servers cannot be installed in custom server racks. Therefore, it's important to research compatibility prior to making a purchase. View more at ablehardware.com/fabrication/sheet metal/enclosures.